This is the RunCam 5. This is the USB cable the RunCam 5 comes with. This is the very sexy USB adapter we'll be using. Plug that shit together and into your PC, and then press and hold the power button on the RunCam. It'll beep, and then it'll get this little light here, tells you it's on, right? But here's the kicker. You gotta press this button, and you do was the other hand, so you could see the difference in the light. Once. Real good. You might have heard a ding in the background. That is my camera being added to Device Manager. You'll see it appear here as iCatch V7. Then hit the Windows key, open Settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth and Devices. And if we look down here, we can select Cameras, and then we will see iCatch V7. That seems familiar. Let's click it. And here we go. And here I am. Check it out. I'm a screen within a screen. And that's how you live preview your RunCam 5, because the documentation on it sucks.